Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi network error on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you're trying to join any Wi-Fi network but you're facing this issue and you are unable to connect with the Wi-Fi, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, if you want to fix the unable to join network error on your iPhone, then you have to simply start by forgetting the network. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and then open settings and then go to your Wi-Fi, and from here you have to simply tap on this I button or warning button, and from here you have to simply forget this network for one time. So guys, simply forget this network for one time, and after this restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. After this, go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. Again, go back and go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.